How does an airplane know how fast it's going? For cars, it's really easy. You multiply how fast the wheel spins times the circumference of the wheel, and you get the ground speed. But airplanes don't really use their wheels. Here's what they do instead. A tube is mounted outside, and a pressure sensor measures something called the dynamic pressure, which is basically the force that the air molecules exert on the aircraft as it flies through the air. And luckily, there's a simple equation that relates this dynamic pressure to the air density and the airspeed, v. If you solve for v, you can look at the right-hand side of the equation, and it can all be measured right there in the air. And now, the pilot knows exactly how fast it's going. Subscribe for more.